Hi, using generative AI regularly for your daily creative tasks can have both positive and negative effect on your cognitive skill, depending on how you are using it. Here is a breakdown of the potential benefits and the risk. So let's first talk about the potential benefits if you are using it mindfully. It can be helpful for the cognitive expansion, which means AI can expose you to the new ideas, styles, and perspectives. It can act like a brainstorming partner, helping you to think in a direction you hadn't considered. Useful for literal thinking, rapid prototyping, and for creative exploration. It can also helpful for skill acceleration, which means when you use to augment, not to replace your thinking, it can improve writing, designing, and concept development faster. You learn through feedback and iteration with AI as a creative collaborator. It can also helpful for you to focus on high order thinking. By automating repetitive tasks or a technical task, your brain is freed up for ideation, strategy, and reflection. You can spend more time evaluating, curating, or refining ideas rather than generating from scratch every time. You have heard about learning by teaching. So, when you edit or challenge the AI output, you improve your critical thinking and domain mastery. This can make you more precise and thoughtful in your own creative expression. But there are some potential risks if you over relied on AI. There may be a chance of cognitive offloading, which means relying too much on AI to generate content can reduce your ability to think deeply or originally. You may lose touch with your own creative instinct or struggle to initiate ideas without a prompt. Creativity dulling. If you start accepting AI output as a good enough, your personal voice, risk taking, and innovation can stagnate. You might develop a style that feels generic, templated, or derivative. It may reduce your problem solving grit also. So, constant AI assistant can reduce the struggle needed for creative breakthroughs. The habit of working through blocks, the creative muscles can weaken. There may be a chance of loss of craft mastery. For discipline like writing, art, animation, or music, using AI too often can lead to skill erosion if you are not practicing the fundamentals. So let me share some best practices to preserve and enhance your cognitive skill. I would suggest always co-create, don't copy. Use AI to build your ideas, not to replace them. Interrogate the output. So always ask, why does this work? And how can I make this more and more better? Keep a human touch as the first workflow. So always sketch, outline, or ideate manually before prompting to AI. Sometimes you can rotate the task. Don't always use AI for everything. Alternate between assisted and unassisted tasks. And you can also reflect regularly and track how your creativity is evolving over the time. So generative AI is very powerful tool. It can enhance your creative architecture or replace your craftsmanship. The choice is yours. If you used it mindfully, it can elevate your cognitive skill. Or if you use it passively, it can entropy them. So, if you are in a creative or academic field like media, AI, animation, or design, the sweet spot is using AI as an sparring partner, not a substitute. Bye bye.